Good morning, my friends. I wanted to show you some pages I've been working on my vacation, and I've just come home. I've opened up the bag and wanted to share a few pages with you. So let's take a look. I have gotten some different paper, 12 by 12 sheets, as well as 8.5 by 11, and I've put them together in folded pages, making some pockets, some tucks, some sides, and just wanted to briefly flip through a few of these pages to show you some of the belly bands and pockets that I've made while in a hotel room. So again, we really can create anywhere that we are, just with a couple of simple tools, whether you have tape, you have washi tape, you have scotch tape, you have a stapler, or you just have some paper that you can fold, or even what else did I use? A stapler, folding papers. And honestly, folding the paper takes a lot of time and effort, and you can pretty much put several pieces together with very little effort, just a lot of time. And then we can come home, and I'm going to show you another video how we frou-frou these up and add a lot of ephemera and different things to make these pages come alive. And also, as I promised before vacation, we are going to show you how I bind the pages together to create the basics for the book. And then we're going to start adding some fabric, some ephemera, some beading on the side, and really have fun with this. But again, lots of belly bands, lots of tearing, lots of creating pages, a little bit of doodling, and you can really come across with a lot of effort, a lot of time put together to create the beginnings of some wonderful, wonderful junk journals. Alrighty, well, thanks for joining me this morning. I can't wait to show you the next step and take these downstairs to the office and start to play. But again, throw nothing away. We've kept all of the papers in a Ziploc baggie. We brought those home. We're going to be making papers from the scraps as well. So lots of fun coming up.